Welcome to our roundup of the best endoscope camera options. Whether you're inspecting tight spaces, fixing plumbing issues, or exploring hard-to-reach areas, we've selected top-rated endoscope cameras that combine clarity, flexibility, and smart features. We'll break down each model's key specs like camera quality, cable design, lighting system, connectivity, and ease of use to help you find the perfect tool for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal endoscope camera for you. The first on the list is the AnyKit endoscope camera. The AnyKit endoscope camera is a great entry-level option designed for users who want reliability and simplicity without spending too much. Right out of the box, it stands out with its high-resolution camera, semi-rigid cable, and waterproof design, making it a versatile tool for everyday inspections. The camera delivers clear visuals that are more than enough for checking pipes, engines, or tight corners in your home. Its semi-rigid cable strikes a perfect balance between flexibility and control, allowing you to maneuver easily while still maintaining shape when needed. Another highlight is its plug-and-play functionality. You can quickly connect it to your smartphone or computer without complicated setups, making it beginner-friendly. The adjustable LED lights surrounding the camera lens ensure visibility even in dark environments, which is essential when working inside pipes or behind walls. Whether you're dealing with a clogged drain or trying to locate a lost item, this camera provides a practical solution. Durability is also a strong point. The waterproof design allows it to operate in wet conditions, making it suitable for plumbing tasks or outdoor inspections. While the image quality may not compete with high-end models, it performs consistently for its price range. The cable length is sufficient for most home uses, though professionals might find it slightly limiting. Overall, the AnyKit endoscope camera is a solid choice for beginners or casual users who need a dependable and easy-to-use inspection tool without breaking the bank. Next up is the DX-Z-TOES Dual Lens Articulating Borescope. The DX-Z-TOES Dual Lens Articulating Borescope is built for users who want more advanced inspection capabilities. It immediately impresses with its dual lens system, articulating probe, and HD display screen, offering a professional-grade experience. The dual lens feature allows you to switch between front and side views effortlessly, giving you a much broader perspective without needing to reposition the camera constantly. One of its standout features is the articulating probe, which can bend and rotate to navigate complex spaces with ease. This makes it especially useful for automotive inspections, HVAC systems, and industrial tasks where precision matters. The built-in HD display eliminates the need for external devices, allowing you to view real-time footage directly on the screen. This adds convenience and speeds up your workflow. The image quality is sharp and detailed, making it easier to identify issues quickly. Its powerful LED lighting system ensures clear visibility even in complete darkness. The device is designed with durability in mind, capable of handling tough environments without compromising performance. While it offers impressive features, it is slightly bulkier compared to simpler models, and the learning curve might be a bit steep for beginners. However, for users who need advanced functionality, this is a worthwhile upgrade. Overall, the DX-Z-TOES Dual Lens Articulating Borescope is an excellent choice for professionals or serious DIY users who require flexibility, precision, and high-quality imaging in one package. Next, the Papillue Endoscope with Light. The Papillue Endoscope with Light is designed for users who want a balance between affordability and enhanced visibility. It comes equipped with bright LED lights, flexible cable design, and wide compatibility, making it a versatile tool for a variety of tasks. The bright LED lights are one of its strongest features, providing excellent illumination that significantly improves image clarity in dark or confined spaces. The flexible cable allows easy navigation through tight areas, whether you're inspecting pipes, engines, or wall cavities. It's soft enough to maneuver around corners, yet sturdy enough to maintain direction when needed. This balance makes it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. Compatibility is another major advantage. It works with a wide range of devices, including smartphones and tablets, making it convenient for users who prefer viewing on larger screens. The setup process is straightforward, so you can get started quickly without technical hassle. Image quality is decent for its price range, and while it may not deliver ultra-high-definition visuals, it performs reliably for most home and light professional tasks. The waterproof camera head adds to its versatility, allowing use in wet conditions without worry. One minor drawback is that the cable may feel slightly less rigid compared to premium models, which can affect control in certain situations. However, this is a small trade-off considering its affordability and ease of use. Overall, the Blue Endoscope with Light is a practical and budget-friendly option that offers good performance, especially for users who prioritize visibility and convenience. Next, the Election Endoscope camera. The Election Endoscope camera is a well-rounded option that combines performance, convenience, and modern features. It stands out with its full HD resolution, long cable reach, and adjustable LED lights, making it a reliable tool for both home and professional use. The full HD resolution ensures sharp and detailed images, allowing you to identify problems quickly and accurately. The long cable reach is particularly useful for deep inspections, whether you're working on plumbing systems or automotive repairs. It gives you the freedom to explore areas that are otherwise inaccessible, making your tasks much easier and more efficient. Another highlight is the adjustable LED lighting system, which allows you to control brightness based on your environment. This ensures optimal visibility without overexposing the image. The camera performs well in both dark and moderately lit conditions, making it versatile for different applications. Ease of use is also a strong point. The device connects easily to smartphones, and the companion app provides a smooth user experience with real-time viewing and recording options. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability even with frequent use. Overall, the Election Endoscope camera is a dependable and feature-rich option that offers great performance, making it ideal for users who want a balance of quality and affordability. The last one on our list is the Mug Easy Endoscope camera. The Mug Easy Endoscope camera takes the top spot thanks to its impressive blend of portability, performance, and advanced features. It shines with its ultra-clear imaging, wireless connectivity, and lightweight design, making it one of the most convenient options available. The ultra-clear imaging delivers crisp and detailed visuals, allowing you to inspect even the smallest details with confidence. Wireless connectivity is a game changer, eliminating the need for messy cables and making the device incredibly easy to use. You can connect it to your smartphone and view live footage instantly, giving you complete freedom during inspections. This feature is especially useful for users who value convenience and mobility. Overall, the Mug Easy Endoscope camera is a top-tier choice that combines innovation, ease of use, and excellent performance, making it the best option for anyone looking for a high-quality inspection tool. So that's it for the best endoscope cameras on the market. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.